So now let's see how we can work with column break inside of our Google Doc document. So here I have 4 paragraphs as you can see, and now let's just turn this into a 2-column layout. So in order to do that, I'm just going to select all 4 of these right here, and then I'm going to go to, let's say, I'm going to go to format, and then going to go to columns right here, and then I'm going to choose 2 columns right here. But what happened right now is that all of the paragraphs has been squeezed onto the first column. I don't want that. Let's say I want the second column to start from here. So what I can do to arrange out the column is to insert a column break. So I'm just going to go around right here. I'm going to click on insert, and then I'm going to go around into break and then click on column break. So once you enable the column, this is enabled as well. Once you click on that, now you can see that this is in another column right over here. So now what you can do is you can simply go around, and over here you can see that I can type in text right over here, and then there's another column right here. But after this one, you can see that the column has been broken and the information is there in another page, just like this. And that is how you can work around with column break to redistribute your content inside of a Google Doc document. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.